Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard US Airways, a member of the Star Alliance Network. This is Flight 460 with service to Indianapolis. Please direct your attention to the flight attendants as they review important information.
This is probably when they have...
Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and member instructions. Please review the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It explains the safety features of this aircraft, as well as the location and operation of the exits and flotation devices. Your seat cushion may be used as a flotation device. To remove the cushion, pull up and take it with you to the nearest usable exit. When exiting the aircraft, place your arms to the straps and have the cushion to your chest. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal fitting into the buckle and adjust the strap so it fits low and tight around your hips. To release, lift the metal flap. During the flight, the captain may turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. However, for your safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while you are seated. There are 2 exit doors in the front of the aircraft, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the rear of the aircraft. All the doors are equipped with evacuation slides. If directed to exit the aircraft, jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. If there is a loss of electrical power, exit path lighting will illuminate on or near the floor. The guides will see red lights indicating an exit. Take a moment to locate the exit nearest you. Keep it in mind the closest usable exit may be behind you. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from overhead compartments. To start the flow of oxygen, reach up and pull the mask towards you, fully extending the plastic tubing. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, put the elastic band over your head, and breathe normally. To tighten, pull the tab on each side of the mask. The plastic bag may not inflate when oxygen is flowing. Secure your mask before assisting others. Smoking is prohibited on the aircraft, including lavatories. Smoking is disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector is also prohibited. We will be dimming the cabin lights before departure. Individual video light controls are located overhead. On behalf of US Airways and the Star Alliance member airlines, we wish you a
I don't need to give any more tracking. Come on, if I do track. Will I hurt him? Will I hurt him?
I still feel hot.
Why do you break so Why? I was a sports person too, you know. Yeah, I know. There's that kind of thing, and then there's the my joints are hurting and I might break something. Yeah.
You can put it in your wall. Check it. Well, you have to check his own
He doesn't like drinking.
I'm not gonna lie, the Phoenix Airport is so long.
You're sympathetic pat on the front. Comfort. I hope it makes you feel better. It's also
Okay, I brought my sunglasses for the running. I brought them like yeah. I brought it like
Do you know what we're doing when we're
Take it.
like today? Because we're gonna have a little bit of time.
I was able to play solitaire.
But well, not. I mean, like the band, not like
After I
crazy
had to,
kid people and don't load it.
I like set it all up on the ground and then Max was over like, why just lays down right on top of it?
I'm just taking my shirt off and one of our people.
But then it's like, doesn't even like realize, just like, oh, and then you like, I like push him away, like, I'm like, oh, and then you push him along, and push him go, like, hard, and he like, doesn't even like try to, just kind of like, roll with them, them all, passing out, and then try to get out. But then eventually, he like, starts to like, shut it out, and then he starts to bring it to us, and then he was like, he like jumped up and he was like, he started like barking at him. Go out, get back in, go out, get back in. When we go to Matt, he has this lab. She's so sweet, she like comes on, and she like sits there, and she can't get back up. She's so old, she can't move. So like, the mom came out and was like trying to like give her a start.
Okay, are people in flight C? When did they? You know?
Like, watching him on the couch, like goes to the president, taking like kept like trying a few times to get his leg all the way up on the couch. She's like, oh, goes on the bed, she like hops up and just like lift it up.
I don't want your mom.
So then Ben hops up like that. Just like falls off like the head.
Yeah. Oh, it's on your head. That's fine. That would be alright. Yeah, they can go to their first class. Wait, coach 1, 2. I'll show you my show you. Second time. Oh.